Welcome to this comprehensive guide on mastering AFCI nuisance tripping. This video is for electricians, engineers, and homeowners on diagnosing unwanted arc fault interruptions. First, we will look at the technology behind arc fault circuit interrupters, or AFCIs, and how they distinguish between safe and lethal electrical arcs. An AFCI uses a microprocessor to monitor the unique signature of an electrical arc, unlike standard breakers. This advanced waveform analysis differentiates between normal arcs, like a switch toggle, and dangerous arcs, such as those from frayed wires, which cause many home fires. Nuisance tripping occurs when the AFCI disconnects power due to a benign signal that mimics a dangerous arc. This is commonly caused by electromagnetic interference from modern electronics or brushed motors. The dilemma is that the sensitive breaker is doing its job, but the challenge is identifying the external source of this false positive. Section 2 focuses on the root causes of AFCI nuisance tripping, identifying the environmental and mechanical triggers of these unwanted trips. Triggers can be internal or external. Equipment noise from brushed motors or high-frequency power supplies can inject harmonic noise. Wiring errors like shared neutrals, loose terminals, or cables damaged by staples are also common culprits. Based on field diagnostic reports, shared neutrals are the most impactful nuisance culprit. Brushed motors are a common trigger, followed by LED/dimmers and loose connections. Our third section covers professional diagnostics, scientific methods for troubleshooting that are essential for engineers and electricians. Professional troubleshooting involves several steps. Use an AFCI analyzer to test the breaker itself. Perform component isolation by unplugging devices and reintroducing them one by one. Check for wiring issues through neutral inspection and ensure all terminal connections are torqued to specifications. The key professional troubleshooting steps include using an AFCI analyzer, isolating components to find the noisy load, inspecting neutrals for bootleg grounds, and ensuring terminal torque meets manufacturer specifications. For homeowners, there are initial steps before calling a professional. Identify what was running when the power cut off. Then, fully reset the breaker. If the breaker trips immediately with nothing plugged in, call an electrician immediately, as this indicates a likely wiring safety issue. Safety is paramount. AFCI technology prevents electrical fires and saves lives. Although nuisance tripping is annoying, it often signals electrical noise that needs to be addressed. For technical inquiries, please email the address on the screen.